Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Ryobi brushes 46cm cordless lawnmower kit. Now I know what you're thinking. Have you not just had the DeWalt? Have you not just had an Ozito?
Is that another lawnmower? What's going on here?
It is. Ash, I've chosen another lawnmower because the other ones were just completely rubbish.
Were they?
Yes.
See, I like the DeWalt. It was good, but two things. It was heavy and the battery life was abysmal. So that went return to sender. So now we're checking out the approved. The Bunnings, like, validated. We talked to the dude. He said the best one to get is the Ryobi. This one, 5 amps, dedicated battery. See what happens.
Let's unbox it, baby. My level of expectation right now is really quite low. I feel like my heart has been disappointed so many times that as long as this can turn on and do a little bit of a work, I might be happy.
Yeah, I was giving up on cordless lawnmowers because, I don't know, it just wasn't quite working. It's not powerful enough.
No.
And the battery is not good. But the dude said the corded ones are awful. So let's see. Oh, yes. This is nice.
Big,
it's green.
Isn't it? It's big and chunky.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh, okay, I'll hold this for you. Oh my god, that's heavy. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Okay. There you go.
You know, I like it so far.
I like it too.
It looks nice.
It's nice and compact, isn't it?
Pre-assembled.
Yes.
Not much to do.
I love it.
So what do we do?
I think let's just attach. I think from our previous experiences, I think you just have to attach these on, which looks pretty self-intuitive, and you just basically pop them over.
So they pop in and out and rotate. So when they pop out like this, they're open, and then when you spin them, they lock in place.
Perfect.
See that?
Yes.
So let's unlock them first.
Yep. To the side.
Yep, perfect. And then you get 2 holes to specify which position you want to put them in.
Nice.
I'm going to try the bottom one first.
And you just basically lock them back into place.
And just lock it in.
That's easy. No, that doesn't feel like it's quite right.
No, it feels good.
Think
that's perfect.
because when you drop it.
And then there's probably another second bolt attachment somewhere.
Yeah, I think so too. So basically, you have to place a washer in between the handle and the metal, and then place the bolt on top of that. So this is a bit fiddly actually. Yeah, I thought that'd be a bit. So screw it all the way in until it's completely flush and it's nice and tight, because this is what's going to give the integrity of the lawnmower.
Sounds great. That one's a bit low for me. So I guess if you're a kid, go on the low one, and if you're not a kid, go on the higher one. The wheels aren't as smooth as the previous DeWalt that I had, but it is a lot lighter. Yeah, it is a lot lighter to move. That's pretty good. But now, just to top out, this is the bag, and it is like a 50-litre bag. So you can get some serious grass in this one. Know what I'm saying? And you go around the back, lift up the lid, and you kind of hook this ridge into that ridge there.
So Ash, like any good person and citizen of the world, it is time to unbox the battery, because that is the most important thing. Now, luckily for us, this does come with a fast charger. I'm not entirely sure how fast it's going to be. We're going to put it to a test very shortly. But what I do like is it actually comes with a battery, because, you know, there are some mowers out there that are just skin only, and you have to pay extra for the battery.
But something I have heard about these batteries, apparently after the first year, they wear out. So we'll have to put that to the test. Maybe ask us in the comment section below. See how it goes in a year's time.
If we still have this machine.
Wow.
It's big,
isn't it? It's a big battery.
Ooh, it's heavy.
You know, if it lasts at least 20 minutes, I'll be satisfied.
Yeah, that's a good
Oh,
battery.
actually, I want 25 minutes out of this, and then I'll be satisfied, because it's going to degrade over its lifetime. So if I get 25 minutes, I'll be happy with it.
Okay.
I do like that there's one charger, one battery.
Yeah.
Previously, I've had my other lawnmowers, they give you one charger and two batteries.
How?
Annoying.
How are you going to use that? That's a beefy battery, isn't it? Oh, I love this. So this one just clips into place like so. And then you just plug it in to the charger. Should you charge it up?
Well, what I want to know, is there any indication to tell you how much battery life is in it?
Yes, there is. There you go.
Yes.
Oh, it's got one.
It's not charged. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. And it's almost on 2 bars. So we're going to start off with that.
Okay, because I'm so impatient, I'm going to plug in the battery and get going. So you want to lift this up and simply you slide it into place. There you go. The pin's already in place. It only functions when this pin is working. All right, let's get going.
Side.
Going up to the highest, number 5 feels like you're driving a car. Put it onto 5 and then you can go lower, and I want to test out and see whether the battery chugs. Okay, I think it's too high, so I'm going to bring it down a notch and do that again because it didn't really cut anything. Number 4. Alright, so it did pretty good at number 4. There was no chugging of the battery, and now I'm going to test it and go down to number 3. Previously, in our previous lawnmowers like the Ozito or the DeWalt, it really chugged at 2s and 3s, so I'm waiting to see whether it has any difficulty. Should I just see how it does with the number 2 and a 1? Okay, so that was a 2. You could see me struggle a little bit at the beginning, and I think that's because there was a really high amount of grass and I had to stop and go again. But actually once I got going, it actually did quite a good job. And yeah, the grass is looking nice and small. Should we try 1? All right, let's see how it fares with a number 1, which is like so close to the ground. I have a feeling it's gonna really struggle when I first go up the mountain of this grass because it is so tall. But I'm excited to see. What I liked about it is I didn't have to press the button. When it chugged, it just kind of woke up itself. So yeah, I'm liking this so far. That one is just near impossible to do. I think because we have such a bumpy land, and perhaps you need to do a 1 when your grass is already at number 2 or something like that. So
it sounds nice as well. It sounds very, very deep. I like it so far. Gonna hand over back to the big boss because I know she's been aching to do some lawn mowing. So I'll let you finish off the battery. I'm surprised that with just one and a bit of bars on the battery, it's lasted at least 5 minutes. I think what we need to do is a side-by-side challenge. Ozito versus, I don't even want to do that test.
I don't want to do it, it's not worth it. It's literally not worth it.
We do have a strip. You want to do it? Go. Yeah, that's it.